Hello and welcome to my third in a series of training videos on affiliate marketing. These training modules are designed to help give you the information you need to add affiliate marketing to your portfolio of income streams. In the first video, I defined an affiliate marketing and gave you some examples along with the benefits of this business type. In video 2, I set out the 4 simple steps you need to start your own affiliate business. And in this video, we'll dive into picking the best niche for your market. To let you know a little bit more about me, my name is Dana Hagstrom, and my husband David and I have been around the home business industry now for over 10 years. We work with online professionals and provide them with effective breakthrough strategies to boost their home business success and to move them along their pathway to profit. In today's video, we'll talk about how to choose the niche that's right for you, the hottest niches out there right now, and the best tip for standing out and getting noticed in your niche of choice. Sound good? And if you stay on to the end, I'll share with you a great resource you can start using today to learn how you can attract more of the right people to you. Okay, first off, if you aren't clear on what a niche is, it's simply a group of people with a common desire, interest, or need. Let's use dog lovers for an example. This is a group of people that share a desire to own a dog, interest perhaps in training their dog, and a need to feed their dog. How do you know what niche to pick? Well, it might help to know what niches are popular right now. You certainly don't want to pick a group of people to serve that don't really have a need or an interest in being served. For instance, it would be like selling ice blocks to people in the Arctic. They probably don't have a need or an interest in more of what they already have. Right now, the hot niches are health and wellness, which includes fitness, weight loss, and all the vitamins and supplements, the CBD oils, etc. You see a lot of these kinds of products, new ones popping up every day. Number 2, relationships and dating, which includes marriage counseling, child rearing, self-improvement, life coaching, etc. And number 3, money and wealth, which includes the bigger ticket items like ways to accumulate wealth, investments, real estate, etc. are all included there. So what you need to keep in mind with all these niches, and there are plenty more, is that they're driven by passion. People are hungry for ways to get better and improve their lifestyle. And when you can help people achieve a goal they have, you become the hero. And that's when affiliate marketing is at its best. You should consider these 3 important questions when choosing your niche. It's time to put your investigator hat on and do some research. Even if you already have a niche you may have been serving or have one in mind, apply what you already know to these questions. Number 1, what are your interests? 2, do people spend money there? And 3, are there products to sell? Let's look at each of these a little closer. When we talk about interests, it's important to brainstorm here. Make a list. Think of hobbies people have, like watching or playing sports, video games, reading. Think of problems you can solve. Acne breakouts, better sleep, hair loss, weight issues. And when you can focus on solving a problem, remember that people are desperate to buy solutions. They want to sleep better so they can perform better at work, or they want to have their hair grow back so they'll feel attractive again. Think of passions people have. Personal development, fitness. When we were living in the United States, for example, it seemed like a fitness gym was popping up on every corner. Yoga was hot, coffee, craft beers, people getting passionate about stuff like that. Think of trends, what's hot and what's not. Think about something you hear a lot about today but maybe didn't 5 years ago, like CBD or keto diets, crypto coins, apps that will do just about anything you want. You might also ask yourself, what do I think will stay around? After all, you don't want to go to the time and expense of creating a brand to serve a certain niche and then have it dissolve into thin air. When you have your brainstorm list, see if something stands out to you that you are passionate about. Do you have a solution that will help people in that group or niche? Okay, that was a bit more on interests. Next, we need to determine if people spend their money there. After all, businesses that aren't making money are just hobbies. So how do you follow the money? Look for clues. Clues include ads. You've seen ads on different social media platforms. You know, on Facebook, it's the sponsored posts. Again, we're doing research. Have you ever seen an ad for anything like what you're imagining selling? These ads could be in magazines, online, billboards, TV commercials. Other clues include having instruction books or how-to articles or videos. What are people talking about? What are they spending money on? Search Amazon and YouTube. Next, we have products to sell. Are there already products in the marketplace that resemble what you want to sell? These products can be both physical and digital, which simply means electronically distributed. You might be looking at your competition for this step. There's a lot to be learned from studying the competition. I hope you're getting value from this so far and getting those creative juices flowing. As promised, at last, here's the tip for standing out from the crowd. After all, in your research, you have found that what you want to sell is popular. You have decided on a niche that is hot and full of people. Other people are also selling to them, so how do you stand out? It's a strategy I learned in some training I have access to in one of our affiliate programs. It's simply called to niche down. It's easier to give an example to illustrate this rather than define it. So let's go back to our dog lovers example from earlier. To niche down, you start with your niche category. In this case, dog lovers. That's pretty general. So how do you want to serve dog lovers? Focus on what dog lovers might want to help you get more specific. How about dog lovers who have dogs frightened of loud noises? That is more specific because not all dogs are afraid. Well, can you be any more specific? You might add, so they can be trained as companion dogs. Okay, now you're looking for specific dogs and their owners. Your message is more likely to get seen when it's more focused in. Another quick example would be the niche of health and wellness. Niche down to weight loss, niche down again to keto diets for women over 50. See how that works? So now it's your turn. Share this video with any teammates you know are struggling to pick their niche. Also, make your own list and do the niche down technique and let me know what you come up with. Put your niche in the comments of this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. You'll see a little bell icon pop up. Be sure to click on that too so you'll be notified when we publish our video trainings. Since you've stayed on to the end, I have a special something for you. As promised, if you're looking for ways to attract more of your niche market to your products or service, we've put together a template for you using what we call lead magnets. That is something of great value that will entice your niche to connect with you. You can download that template using the top link in the description of this video. Well, thank you for watching. And be sure to be watching for our next video in the affiliate marketing series coming real soon.